Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to adjust the suspension height in your Tesla for a smoother ride and better handling, guys. So, step one, guys, is you want to access the controls. Start by tapping on the controls icon on your touchscreen. This will actually open up your main settings menu. Then, guys, you want to navigate to suspension settings, okay? From the controls menu, select suspension. Here, you will find options for adjusting your suspension height, guys. Then you just want to choose your height level. You'll see different heights such as low, standard, and high. Simply tap on your preferred option. So low is basically it lowers your ground lowers your vehicle for improved aerodynamics and handling. And the standard is basically the default height for everyday driving. And high raises the vehicle for better clearance on, rough terrain or obstacles. And the next step, guys, you actually just want to confirm the adjustment. Once you've selected your desired height, the adjustment will take effect. And you might see a notification that confirming the change, okay? So then you guys just enjoy your drive, okay? With the suspension height adjusted, you're ready to hit the road. Your Tesla will handle differently based on the height you chose. So just enjoy the enhanced driving experience, guys. And that's it. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further, guys.